Ever wondered what the best dropshipping products to sell on Pinterest are? Well, you're in the right place to satiate your curiosity. It's a question that lingers in the minds of many aspiring and seasoned dropshippers alike. So, let's embark on this journey together, shall we? For those who might be new to this realm, dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method. Instead of a store stocking products, it purchases the items from a third party, usually a wholesaler or manufacturer, and has them shipped directly to the customer. As a result, the merchant never sees or handles the product. Pretty neat, right? And Pinterest, a visually driven social network, is a goldmine for dropshippers. It's a platform where aesthetics meet commerce, and where the right products can thrive. But what are these right products? Which items are waiting to be turned into gold by the Midas touch of a savvy dropshipper? Stay tuned as we unveil the top 10 most profitable dropshipping products on Pinterest. Before we dive into our list, let's understand why Pinterest is a powerful platform for dropshipping. You see, Pinterest is not just a social networking site, but a visual discovery engine. With over 400 million monthly active users, it's a platform where people come to find inspiration, discover new ideas, and most importantly, shop. What sets Pinterest apart is its user demographics. Over 70% of its users are women, and they're not just browsing, they're buying. In fact, Pinterest users spend 50% more on purchases than users on other platforms. Moreover, Pinterest's visual appeal works wonders for dropshipping, a business model that relies heavily on product images. The platform's grid layout and high-resolution images allow dropshippers to showcase their products in the best light possible. Now that we understand the potential of Pinterest, let's start our countdown. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the evergreen, always in demand, eco-friendly products. People are increasingly conscious about the environment, and Pinterest users are no exception. They are always on the hunt for eco-friendly alternatives, from reusable grocery bags to biodegradable toothbrushes. The appeal of these products is their low-cost, high demand, and the positive environmental impact. Plus, with a myriad of suppliers, finding a reliable source for these products is a breeze. Next up, at number 9, we have beauty and skincare products. The beauty industry is booming, and Pinterest is a platform where users actively seek out new and innovative beauty and skincare products. More and more people are investing in self-care, and skincare is a big part of that. You'll find a broad audience for everything from organic serums to high-tech beauty gadgets. These products are profitable because they're consumable, meaning customers will come back to repurchase, leading to a steady stream of income. Sliding into the number 8 spot, we have home workout equipment. With the rise of remote work and home-based fitness routines, there has been a surge in demand for home workout equipment. This includes resistance bands, yoga mats, and small weights. These products are lightweight and easy to ship, making them ideal for dropshipping. They're also versatile, appealing to a wide range of fitness enthusiasts, from beginners to seasoned athletes. Remember, the key to successful dropshipping on Pinterest is to find products that align with the interests of the platform's users. Eco-friendly products, beauty and skincare items, and home workout equipment certainly fit that bill. They're popular, profitable, and have a wide appeal, making them great choices for your dropshipping business. Moving on to the next set of products. At number 7 on our list, we have the evergreen, never out of style home decor items. These items are always in demand, and the best part is, they come in a vast range of categories. From minimalist wall art to bohemian rugs, from chic candle holders to funky kitchenware. The possibilities are endless. They're perfect for Pinterest due to their highly visual nature, and the platform's focus on aspirational and inspirational content. Home decor items can easily be incorporated into lifestyle boards, and are likely to catch the eye of Pinterest users looking to spruce up their living spaces. Moving on to the 6th spot, we find ourselves amidst the world of DIY craft supplies. There's something incredibly satisfying about creating something with your own hands, and Pinterest users know this all too well. The platform is buzzing with DIY enthusiasts searching for their next project. Selling DIY craft supplies can tap into this energetic community. It's a niche market, but one with a lot of potential. The key here is to curate an exciting, diverse range of supplies that cater to different craft interests. Halfway to the 5th position, we land on the trend that's been taking the internet by storm: sustainable products. From reusable shopping bags to bamboo toothbrushes, products that are kind to our planet are gaining traction. Pinterest users tend to be forward-thinking and environmentally conscious, making sustainable products a great fit for this platform. Moreover, Selling these items sends a positive message about your business values, potentially drawing in customers who share the same ethos. We're halfway through our list, let's see what's in the top half. Breaking into the top 4, we find a product that's all about making a statement: custom jewelry. It's not just about accessorizing, it's about personalizing, it's about expressing oneself. The market for custom jewelry is vast and varied. From engraved bracelets to initial necklaces, the options are endless and the demand is ever growing. With dropshipping, you can offer a wide array of designs without needing to stock up on inventory. And the best part? The profit margin on custom jewelry can be quite attractive. Remember, you're not just selling a product, you're selling a personalized experience. And people are willing to pay a premium for that. Moving on to number 3, we have a product that's a perennial favorite: home decor. Now, this is a broad category encompassing everything from wall art to throw pillows, from candle holders to table runners. But what makes home decor a lucrative dropshipping product? It's simple. People love making their living spaces unique, cozy, and reflective of their personality. On Pinterest, home decor is one of the most searched categories. Users are constantly looking for inspiration and new products to spruce up their homes. As a dropshipper, you can tap into this demand by offering a curated selection of home decor items. And with the right marketing strategy, you can position your store as the go-to place for unique, stylish, and affordable home decor. One key tip for selling home decor: keep an eye on the trends. What's in today might be out tomorrow, so stay updated, keep your product selection fresh, and you'll have a steady stream of customers. So there you have it, folks. Custom jewelry and home decor, 2 highly profitable dropshipping products to sell on Pinterest. They're popular, they're trendy, and they offer great profit margins. We're getting closer to the top. Are you ready for the top 2? In the second place, we have a product that is not just a trend, but a lifestyle. It's the sustainable and eco-friendly products. With the rise of environmental consciousness, more and more people are turning towards products that are kind to our planet. Whether it's reusable shopping bags, bamboo toothbrushes, or biodegradable phone cases, these products are making waves on Pinterest. And it's not just about the product itself, but the story behind it. Consumers are more aware and value the ethical and sustainable practices of the companies they buy from. So, if you can provide an eco-friendly product with a compelling story, you're onto a winner. And now, drumroll please, for the number 1 product to dropship on Pinterest. It's none other than the ever-popular home decor items. We're talking about wall art, throw pillows, candle holders, and so on. The beauty of these products is that they are visually appealing. And Pinterest is all about the visuals. It's a platform where people come for inspiration, to dream and plan their perfect home. And what better way to do that than with stunning images of beautiful home decor products? But it's not enough to just have a beautiful product. To truly succeed, you need to understand your audience. You need to know what styles are trending, what colors are in, and what pieces people can't get enough of. And remember, it's not just about selling a product, it's about selling a lifestyle. So, what does this all mean for you as a dropshipper? It means that there's a wealth of opportunity available. By choosing the right products and presenting them in a way that appeals to Pinterest's audience, you can tap into a market that's ripe for the picking. There's no one-size-fits-all answer to what will sell best on Pinterest. It's about understanding the platform, knowing your audience, and providing them with products that they'll love. So, whether you decide to sell eco-friendly products or jump on the home decor bandwagon, remember to stay true to your brand and your values. There you have it. The top 10 most profitable dropshipping products to sell on Pinterest. That was quite a countdown, wasn't it? We've journeyed together through the top 10 dropshipping products to sell on Pinterest, each with its own unique appeal. But remember, these are just a starting point. The world of dropshipping is vast and varied, full of untapped opportunities waiting to be discovered. Your key to success lies in understanding the Pinterest platform and its users. What are they searching for? What kind of products resonate with them? And most importantly, how can you provide value and stand out from the crowd? Take the knowledge we've shared today and use it as a stepping stone to further your own research. Look beyond the top 10, keep an eye on trends, engage with your audience, and always strive to offer something special. Remember, success in dropshipping comes from research, understanding your platform, and choosing the right products. Good luck and happy dropshipping.